I'm Mitch Levinson. I'm the founder and Chief Technology Officer for Cerebrotech Medical Systems here in Pleasanton, California. We make a brain monitor with intellectual property that I licensed out of UC Berkeley. Today it looks like this. We call it the visor because when you put it on, it looks a bit like a visor. It passes low power radio waves through the brain, and it can tell a lot about the fluids in your brain if they're changing, and also the distribution of those fluids. It was a referral, and I got the referral from a venture capital firm who I was speaking with at the time. They referred me to and had heard about you from one of their other portfolio companies, who then was happy to talk with me and gave me a beautiful reference, and I really based my decision primarily on his reference. Primarily using Escalon for doing all of our bill pay. So we take our invoices and we send them typically by email over to Escalon, and Escalon puts them into bill.com, and we manage the payment of the bills through that. And then Escalon puts together our monthly financials, rolls those up into the yearly financials at the end of the year. Yeah, well, the challenge in starting these virtual companies is always trying to get a lot done with just a little bit of cash, and making it easy as possible with as little time required from me at the time as was feasible. So that was the challenge I had across all of my resources, and what I was able to find in Escalon was handling all of the financials that I needed. One of the things that I know has been very helpful is keeping the expenses low on the accounting and financial side of my startup, so that I can focus primarily my efforts on the development of the product, research, development, and clinical studies. I think it's largely transparent. Haven't had to do much in terms of working through issues, and that it's very economical for us. Well, my experience has always been just in this startup medical device space, and those are most of the people that I would interface with and would recommend it to. And with other types of businesses, I guess they'd have to make a decision about how valuable that this type of service would be in those other types of organizations. But startup medical device companies, I would have no reservations.